Hi, I'm Lauren Bradley. I'm the founder of The Officials, and I'm going to tell you today about the G Suite All-Star course. This course is a behemoth. This is a great course for someone who is new to G Suite or has been using it for a while, but really just using it as maybe just Gmail for email, maybe just only for personal. It's a great course for someone that is kind of technologically adverse and kind of feels a little bit left behind or nervous about technology. I'm going to show you some really cool things that are really easy to open. I'm going to show you my methods for taking advantage of these features for assistance. This is also a really great course for anyone that just is looking for new productivity tools and applications and features. Google just released a whole bunch of new interesting things across their applications, as they are doing all the time, and I'm going to catch you up to speed for the time that this course was released. There's things like tab groups that have just come out in Google Chrome, and we're going to walk through those together and explain why they're helpful for you as an assistant to make you more productive. Now, here's a secret. I hate the word productive. What I want to do is make your life easier, and that's what we're going to do today. Now, I'm going to cheat because there's so much stuff in this course. It is so packed that I have to look at the list because there's just no way I could remember it all, and I don't do teleprompters. I like just talking to you. So this is what we're going to learn. Chrome, Drive, Backup and Sync, which is a really great tool for taking your physical files, and while you're not even paying attention, it's syncing up a backup to the cloud for you, which is great for anyone that's ever lost a document. Gmail, calendars, tasks, hangouts, docs, sheets, slides, forms, Keep, and Jamboard. We are also going to learn about some other features like Hangout. Meet is coming out for free, so as soon as that's available, we'll be dropping courses in here to tell you all about that. But we're also going to tell you about some cool stuff like tab groups, color coding your files, voice to text recognition for dictating to your documents, or even taking pictures of handwriting and having Google's ocular recognition pick up your handwriting and translate it into words on the screen without you having to retype your notes. There is a little cleanup involved, but it's really awesome for assistance. We're going to talk about building habits with calendar, reminders, and tasks. We're going to talk about nudges and snooze, priority inbox, canned replies, form mastery, and so on and so on and so on and so on. There's so much to learn in this course. I've been using Gmail, G Suite products since 2006, when I first was invited by someone else who had a coveted Gmail account at the time where you could only invite people that you knew. That was the only way to get into Gmail, was to have somebody who knew you invite you in, and you only had so many references to hand out, so many invitations to hand out. And so I've been with the Google suite of products for quite a long time. There are advantages to it. There are disadvantages and challenges to it, that where Microsoft is, Word or something is the superior product. And I'm going to break it down for you and give it to you straight. I may love G Suite, but there are times where it's not as feature rich as some of the Microsoft applications. And I'm going to tell you when that is and the best times to be using one or the other. I hope you like this course. Please know you can reach out at any time. All the links to join the course are below. I think you're really going to like this course, and I really hope that you make it official.